Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can scan your pen drive in laptop. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is make sure that your pen drive is inserted on your laptop. And after making sure that your pen drive is inserted on your laptop, the next thing that you're going to want to do is simply open this PC on your laptop. So double click on this PC and open it. So after opening this PC, here you can see this is the pen drive. Now what we're going to do is simply right click on your mouse or touchpad like this. And here you can see there is the option of show more option right here. So you can simply just click on show more. And here you can see there is the option of scan with Microsoft Defender. Click on this option right here. And after doing that, now our Windows security will open. And here you can see we have successfully scanned our pen drive. Here you can see details right here. So there are no current threats, and last scan was this date, which is right now. Here you can see this is the date and the time is also right here. And here you can see there were no threats found, and scan lasted 1 second because we didn't have many files. Here you can see there were 49 files scanned, and like this you can scan your pen drive on your laptop. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.